What up guys, it's Lyme, and today we're making a GEEB. Now what you're going to want is a big cup. You're going to want a little metal socket. These are like for wrenches or whatever. This is going to be the bowl piece. Then of course you're going to want your lighter. Any lighter will work, any flame. We need a flame, Then you're going to want any plastic water bottle. Oh yeah, look at all four of them. You only need four ingredients. Alright, we want a hole in the bottom of the plastic bottle. I'm going to be burning 4 holes. You can do 1, you can do 2, you can do 3. You could even cut the whole bottom off. But I just do 4. I just do 1 on like every side, Make like a little cross. There we go. Burn the 3rd hole. There we go. There we go. Last hole. All 4 holes have been burnt. All 4 holes. Look at them all. There we go. Alright, now that we got that done, we need to put the bowl in the bottle cap. Now what you're going to want to do is burn that bottle cap, and you want the plastic to start melting. Now when the plastic's melting, you're going to want to try and push the socket through it. You might not burn it for long enough, so go in for a second round of flame. Oh yeah. There we go. Melt that shit up. Alright. Push that motherfucking socket through. Make it even. Get it right in about the middle. And there you go. There's your bowl. Now you're going to want to screw that on top. Put it in the cup with your water. And then you put whatever you want in the bowl. You know what I mean? You know what you're putting in there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you make a GEEB. Really not that hard. Very simple. All you really need is 4 ingredients. 6 if you want to count the other 2. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.